Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make time pass. To begin, immerse yourself in tasks that demand your full attention, like solving a complex puzzle or learning a new language. Breaking down larger projects into smaller, more achievable segments can also make the hours fly by. Furthermore, practicing mindfulness helps you stay grounded in the present, transforming tedious moments into opportunities for calm reflection. These initial steps are crucial for shifting your perception of time. To truly make time fly, dive into activities that genuinely captivate you. Consider dedicating 20 to 30 minutes daily to learning a new skill, such as playing a musical instrument or exploring basic coding. Alternatively, lose yourself in a compelling novel or an engaging podcast, which can transport your mind to different worlds. Physical activity, like a brisk 30-minute walk or a quick workout, also releases endorphins, making time feel more productive and enjoyable. These pursuits offer both distraction and personal growth. Shifting your mindset is a powerful way to influence how quickly time seems to pass. Begin by setting clear, achievable goals for your day, perhaps aiming to complete 3 specific tasks. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude, even for small things, can significantly enhance your appreciation for the present moment, making it feel richer. Additionally, connecting with friends or family, even for a brief 10-minute chat, can provide valuable social interaction and a fresh perspective, helping the hours to flow more smoothly. Embrace these mental shifts. For practical ways to make time pass, consider organizing a small area of your home, like a desk or a single drawer. This provides a tangible sense of accomplishment. Exploring new environments, even just taking a different route on your daily walk or visiting a local park you haven't seen, can introduce novelty. Furthermore, dedicating even 1 hour to volunteering for a cause you care about not only helps others, but also provides a profound sense of purpose and productivity, making the time feel incredibly well spent. Try these simple, yet effective strategies.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.